guys, it's me, Rebecca, and today I am going to be opening L.O.L. Big Surprise. It has 50 surprises. So let's get opening. Subscribe, like this video, and click that bell button for us. And guys, let me open this. This is called an L.O.L. So, Mom, can you help me?
Sorry, I don't know that.
I don't want anything to fall. It's hard to open, guys.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Just give us a minute.
Sorry, I don't know that.
I don't want any of these balls falling out. So guys, this is what it looks like so far. So let's open this first. Wait, what? Guys, look how cute these roller skates. Oh my god, guys, look how cute these roller skates are. And look how tiny they are, guys. See, this is actually the size of them. Mama. So, what is this?
A bib?
This might be a bib bracelet. I don't know.
Keep talking.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Alexa, keep talking.
Sorry,
So,
I'm not sure.
yoo-hoo. This is keep going. Pick me.
No.
And this says 10 surprises. LOL surprise.
Why?
Oh my god, guys. Look how cute these little shoes are. They're little sparkly boots. It looks like blue, but it's actually purple, guys. So cute.
Sorry.
So as you can see, I have all of them in here.
Who's talking right now?
Sorry, I don't know that.
Look how cute this is, guys.
Alexa.
This is a little sweater
Sorry, I
with
don't
the
know
vest
that.
on top of it. If you guys have that, subscribe to me and say I have it. And guys, if you subscribe, say right on there, I subscribed, and then I'll know that you subscribe. So I'm going to open a gold one. Guys, I got this from my Uncle Albert, and this was very, very, very hard to find. So here's a blue sparkly skirt. So now I'm gonna open a white one. Oh my god, guys, this is so cute.
I'm not sure.
Look, little shorts.
My name is Alexa.
That's so cute.
Alexa.
I'm gonna open a gold one. Guys, look, there's little pink boots.
What's your last name?
I don't have a last name.
So guys, as you can see, there's a lot of things in
I
here,
don't have any
but we're not done now.
That's how Alexa is.
Guys, look how cute this could go with. Guys, look, this could go like this. Oh my god, look how cute. If we had the dress like this, it would be looking like this. Look how cute this is, guys. Guys, look how much glitter from that came into here.
Since essentially I became new. Before that, I wasn't.
Okay, guys, now I'm gonna open this gold one. Guys, I have it in a pattern, and I don't know what happened to that one. I think I opened it already. I just want to make sure that I did.
February 16th is the birthday of Amanda Holden.
Okay, guys, I think I did.
John Logan and James England.
I don't know yet.
And two more.
I forgot. So here is,
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Mom, what do you think this is?
Shorts.
This might be shorts or underwear. I don't know. Okay, so now let's open this last one, and it's a white one.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Oh my god, guys.
There are 50 states.
So, guys, I am all done with these.
We could look at the Alexa.
Alexa, you know everything?
I know about
So there's two
asking a question.
more. And guys, if you hear that sound, that is, it says
what that is?
but we are not going to do a bath bomb now. But in part 2 we are. So now I'm just going to open Little Sisters. So guys, oh, and it says, what does it say, Mom?
It's for a chance to win.
So this is a chance to win. Oh, guys.
Big surprise.
What that is a stinky butt.
Sorry about that, guys.
Stop.
Okay, now I'm going to, oh, sorry about that, guys.
How about we do those tomorrow? Part
Okay,
2.
guys, I'm going to be doing these L.O.L surprises in part 2. So, have a great day in that YouTube world. Bye. Like, subscribe, smash that like button for us. Bye. Get this video to 1,000 likes, please. And also, get this video to 1,000 likes.